How do we handle conflict? Stories present various types of conflicts we encounter in life, and specifically, films give us space to imagine how these conflicts manifest in our lives and how we can better navigate them. On today's episode of the Live a Meaningful Story podcast, we continue our venture into the Planet of the Apes series through the 2010s prequel trilogy. It's a profoundly deep narrative that wrestles with different conflicts that we encounter in the human experience. Conflicts we can all relate to, because unlike the original that deals with the ape potential within humans, these films ask if it's not necessarily the ape part of us that needs to be put in check, but rather the higher level parts of our consciousness that reduce us to savage beasts and are at the source of many of our conflicts. In the first two films, the main type of conflicts we see are us versus nature and us versus them. Along with these, both films compel us to ask, when do we stand up for ourselves and advocate for the rights of others? And how do we deal with opposition, both from within and without? If you're ready to dive into these conflicts head on, then join us for this discussion on the rise and the dawn of the Planet of the Apes.